the Green Enchantress of the Sierra Madre. A group of villagers are digging on the slopes of the Sierra Madre Mountains. An elderly woman suddenly approaches them. Stop! Don't take the treasure! It's cursed! It will bring disaster upon you! Cursed? We don't believe in such tales. We need this wealth for our families. The villagers ignore her and continue digging. Weeks later, a typhoon comes. Floods are everywhere. They lose loved ones, and their homes are destroyed. Let this tale be a warning. When we exploit the land without care, we invite disaster. And it's our responsibility to protect the earth for future generations. I thank you.
Thank you, Michelle.